Good evening, students. The other day I shared a video based on the poem Prayer of the Woods. So let's revise a few of the things that you have already listened to, watched, and even some material was shared on the same poem. I hope you must have read them, and let's revise. Prayer of the Woods is really a very important poem in your syllabus. Its poet is unknown, that is called anonymous. In this poem, trees appeal to human beings. They appeal human beings for their kindness. Rather, they beg for kindness. Trees play, very important role in our life. We use woods from birth to death. Trees give us heat in winters and shade in summers, shadow. Trees also give us juicy fruits to eat, to relish. We use trees to make furniture. Trees make polite appeal to human beings. They beg for their mercy. They request human beings not to cut them needlessly, not to harm them needlessly. Let's go through a few points in this poem which are really very important. I read out the line of the poem. I am the heat of your hearth on the cold winter nights, the friendly shade screening you from the summer sun, and my fruits are refreshing draughts, quenching your thirst as you journey on. What does that mean? I am the heat of your hearth on the cold winter nights. I provide heat in cold winter nights. I provide friendly shade, that is shadow, that is just like friend, screening you, covering you from the summer sun, that is from heat, and my fruits are refreshing draughts. You quench your thirst by eating fruits. Name of the poem and the poet. The name of the poem is Prayer of Woods, and the poet is anonymous. Now list the things woods give us. Woods give us furniture, fruits, handles for tools. ਮੁੱਠਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਨਾ ਦਾਤਰੀ ਦਾ ਜਾਂ ਕਹੀ ਦਾ ਜੋ ਵੀ whatever. Handles for tools, ਔਜ਼ਾਰ. How can woods give us heat as well as coldness? Burning woods in winters give us heat. In hot summers, woods give us shade. Name the figure of speech used in bold line. I talked about the figure of the speech the other day. The friendly shade, that is personification. Shade is described like a friend. Screening you from the summer sun. What is that? Yes, you guessed right. Rather, you put it right. Screening you from the summer sun. Sir. What is that? Alliteration. ALLITERATION. Screening, sir. You from the summer, sir. Sun, sir, starts with sir sounds. That is called alliteration. What does refreshing draughts refer to? It refers to juicy fruits. Okay, let's take another stanza. I am the handle of your hoe, the door of your homestead, the wood of your cradle, and the shell of your coffin. Yea, I am the bread of kindness and the flower of beauty. Ye who pass by, listen to my prayer. Harm me not. That is, do not harm me, because I provide you wood to be used in tools like a handle of the hoe, doors, furniture, and then woods of your cradle from birth to death. Cradle ਪੰਗੂੜਾ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਚ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੂੰ ਪਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ, and coffin, that is where the Muslims or Christians keep their dead bodies and bury them after their death. So I'm the bread of kindness. I give bread means food, and the flower of beauty, and I provide beauty also. So ye means you who pass by, listen to my prayer, harm me not, harm me not. So this is request from trees to all of you. Name of the poem, Prayer of the Woods, Prayer of Woods, and the poet is anonymous. What is the prayer of the woods to human beings? The woods pray not to harm them. Who is the speaker in the poem? Woods. They are the speaker in the poem. Write down the line that explains the statement, the wood accompanies us from birth till death. I have already told you, the wood of your cradle and the shell of your coffin explains the above statement. So thank you so much. I hope you must have gone through these things very seriously, and I hope you listen or watch this video lesson time and time again, so as to practice all the contents or important things which are there in your poem, Prayer, the Prayer of Woods. So prepare it, and very soon you are going to have a quiz over it. Thank you so much. Enjoy your time. Take care. Bye.